In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best cordless angle grinders available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the cordless angle grinders mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, 125mm Brushless Angle Grinder with Makita 18V battery. This 125mm Brushless Angle Grinder is a great choice for renovation teams and DIY enthusiasts. It features a thickened cover shield for added safety, an enhanced side handle for stability, and a high-speed brushless motor for efficient grinding. The grinder is compatible with 18V Makita B series batteries, ensuring long-lasting power. With its ergonomic design and durable build, it's a reliable tool for cutting, grinding, and polishing tasks. Now available at a 50% discount. Number 4, BABEQ 125mm Brushless Angle Grinder, designed for grinding, cutting, and polishing. The BABEQ 125mm Brushless Angle Grinder offers power and versatility. It comes with a thickened cover shield for enhanced safety, an ergonomic side handle for stability, and a brushless motor for long-lasting efficiency. Its comfortable grip ensures ease of use for extended periods. This tool is perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts looking for durability and high performance. Get it now at a 40% discount for a limited time. Number 3, Cordless Brushless 125mm Angle Grinder with Digital Display. This cordless brushless 125mm angle grinder is ideal for DIY projects and makes a great Father's Day gift. Featuring a digital display with adjustable speeds from 5000 to 9000 RPM, it provides precise control for various tasks. The tool-free guard allows for quick adjustments, while the two-position auxiliary handle enhances stability. Weighing only 1.9 kilograms, it reduces fatigue during use. A lightweight yet powerful tool, it's perfect for home improvement projects. Available now at 50% off. Number 2, Allsome 18V Brushless Cordless Angle Grinder. The Allsome 18V Brushless Cordless Angle Grinder is designed for home DIY metal grinding. It features a spindle lock for quick wheel changes, a tool-free adjustable guard, and a two-position side handle for better leverage. Its all-metal housing and gears ensure durability, making it a long-lasting addition to your toolkit. With a powerful brushless motor, it delivers smooth and efficient performance for various grinding applications. Get it now at a 37% discount for a limited time. Number 1, DEWALT 20V Brushless Cordless Angle Grinder. The DEWALT 20V Brushless Cordless Angle Grinder is an excellent choice for both home DIY and professional use. It features 4 adjustable gears for precise control, a thickened cover shield for safety, and an ergonomic design for maximum comfort. The enhanced side handle improves stability during operation. With its powerful brushless motor, this grinder ensures efficient performance for various applications, from metal grinding to cutting. Now available at a discounted price, making it a valuable tool for any workspace.